Alright, 1982 is when this Camaro first came out. Well-known third-gen Camaros. Might not be the best Camaros, but they're out there. When these came out in 1982, third-gen Camaros lost 470 pounds compared to the second-gen Camaros. The whole suspension got swapped out, but it still had the solid rear axle, but it had coils instead of upper control arms and springs. In 1983, they swapped the 3-speed automatics and the 4-speed manuals to 4-speed automatics to 5-speed manuals. Now we're switching to submodels. This car in particular has a 5.0 in it. The Sport Coupe had the 4-cylinder, the V6, and the 5.0. In comparison, the Berlinetta had the V6 and the V8, did not have the 4-cylinder as a choice. Then the Z28 had 2 V8s in it, the 5.0 and the 5.7. In 86, they dropped the Berlinetta from the lineup completely. In 87, the convertible top came back to play for the 20th anniversary. The 5.7s from the Corvettes came in the IROC Zs. California got its own edition, and the 4 cylinders are completely dead. 1988, the IROC replaces Z28s, the fuel injection replaces the carburetors, and the 1LE gets quietly introduced. In 1989, the RS replaces the Sport Coupe model as the base trim model because of its success in California. 1990, the displacement for the V6s went from a 2.8 to a 3.1. Bumps it up by 5 horsepower. Whopping. Then driver's side gets airbags, which is no big deal.
No, they don't make them.
1991, IROC becomes Z28 again because Chevy declines the renewal of a contract with International Race of Champions, otherwise known as IROC. 1992, to celebrate the 25 years of Camaro, Chevy comes out with the Heritage Edition. That ain't right.
And thanks for watching our YouTube video.
And the 1LE quietly gets introduced.
You forgot everything else.
Oh. How I have this paragraph is just all the words sing together. Rear live axle is a fucking weird name.